Los Angeles approach control, this is Cessna 0281 Echo 119.3, over.
Cessna 81 Echo, Los Angeles approach control, roger, go ahead.
Cessna 81 Echo is over the Compton Airport, 52 at 5,000, requesting a ground controlled approach to the Los Angeles airport, over.
81 Echo, Los Angeles approach control, roger. For radar identification, turn right heading 030.
Got more class than most of them, ran with the best of them, forgave the less of them and blazed at the rest of them. What can I say, California I ain't. When niggas die every day over some shit they say, disconnected from the streets forever. As long as I got a Beretta, nigga, I'm down for whatever. I roll with my shit off safety. For niggas that been hating me lately and the bitches that wanna break me. If Cali blew up, I'd be in the aftermath, bumping gangsta rap shit down the blast for cash. Cause from Eazy-E to DOC to DPG, started from that SOB, DRE, like Dub C, I'm rich rolling, pistol holding, pocket swole, nigga, that's how I'm rolling. Put the flame to the killer, nigga. Worldwide homicide, mob figure in the building. For real, I'm hitting switches, making bitches eat bitches. See me grab my dick every time I pose for pictures. I own acres, floor seats watching the Lakers. I'm cool with SAs who got AKs and cases.
Dedicated to all of those with big egos. Never figure we get the dough and live legal. Haters hate this, we sip them out and yank the Bezos. Niggas play this in they Roses, Jeeps, and Regals. Dedicated to all of those with big egos. Never figure we get the dough and live legal. Haters hate this, we sip them out and yank the Bezos. Bitches play this in they Benzes, Jeeps, and Geos.
I bust with Mr. Tucker, slash the Smoothie Dookie, crash and flex on Tuesdays, harassing hoes at movies, passing by with Uzis. Who you aiming at? That shady bitch and that bitch nigga that was claiming that rat-a-tat-tat. I don't sympathize for whack hoes and wimpy guys. You got to recognize a man is an enterprise. Cali pride, Bronx ride, South Centralized. The Henny got me energized. Smoke the guys trying to focus on minds. Poke their eyes out. I'm LA's locust, hope they don't have to find out the hard way. Like snitch niggas in the can to get hit when the guards look the other way. We getting hard hit, man, and Dre. You playing games, I suggest you know the rules. We putting guns to fools, make you run your jewels. Take your honey and cruise to the snooty and snooze. Cop booze, pop hoochie to the nut oozes. You shouldn't fuck with crews to sick. Aftermath as we root shit. I'm big hit, don't confuse me with no other, about to blow, motherfucker.
Dedicated to all of those with big egos. Never faded, we get the dough and live legal. Haters hate this, we sip them out and yank they Bezos. Niggas play this in they Roses, Jeeps, and Regals. Dedicated to all of those with big egos. Never faded, we get the dough and live legal. Haters hate this, we sip them out and yank they Bezos. Bitches play this in they Benzes, Jeeps, and Geos.